Hi traders, you're welcome to my channel. I am OT Josh, and in this video I will be taking trade based on price action analysis. So let's look at our chart and see what we have first of all and see how we can identify market condition that changes. Now if you look from here, you are going to see what a trend line. This is a trend line, and then this trend line presented a good condition for us to trade, and this was the condition. As you can see, this is where we should be trading. Price came here and came here, so when it comes here again, we can do trade. We can do put trade for 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes, or 2 minutes, depending on the length, the width, sorry, the distance between this high and this low. Now when this happened, guess what? We had a breakout. I've said this thing times and times again. When you have a market condition, now the market has given you this range to trade. When we see the breakout from this candle, the next thing we do immediately is to wait and observe. Wait and observe. Now if we are going to wait and observe, then we should remove this line, and then we see, I'm going to show you this. The market now gave us a new condition, and this is what we see. This is the condition here. Now price began trading inside this range, or you can still, for other traders, they can see, those who can spot it quickly can see something like another trend line here. Now this is the new condition market is given to trade. So now when you can see, now you can see this trend line. If price should come back down anywhere to touch here, because this is the condition, we can do call trade for 5 minutes when the price touches this place. Or the other condition is, I will do it now for 3 minutes. I will go with the call. Now I'll show you why am I doing this call trade for 3 minutes. Now we can see that we had a breakout here, right? This is one place we are waiting for. Now we had this breakout. When we had this breakout, the market made a high here. Please pay attention, because this is important for us to know why we should trade and why we should not trade. Now the market made this high here. Look at this. It made this high, right? And then it made this retracement back and went up. Now if you look at, after a breakout, you always see a pattern, a momentum kind of pattern. So what we are seeing now is swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low. Now I am joining swing high. Swing low is going to come, so I am joining it. So you have the first swing high, swing low, second swing high, swing low. Now I am participating in this third swing high, so that you have a winning trade. Like, this is what trading is. But can you wait? Can you see this? Will you be tempted? Will you now be, because of that, you are going to see this candle with a wick upset? Will you be will you be saying, oh, this is a shooting star, and I know a shooting star should be a call trade, and you do your call trade and you lose your money? This is what most of us as traders are facing, and this is what you must realize, that you trade these candlestick patterns based on the condition the market gives. The patterns, the candlestick hammer and this, they do not define the market. It is the market that gives these patterns meaning. So you can see a hammer candlestick at the end in an uptrend, and you may be thinking, oh, this is a hammer, its price is going to go up. But if that candlestick is appearing at the end of an uptrend, then definitely that is a hanging man, no longer a hammer. And if you go ahead to buy, you are going to lose your hard-earned money. So this is the realities of trading. I want you to know now that this is a breakout. When the price is coming down here, it's still going to provide an opportunity. For new traders, you can do these trades, this kind of trade, by spotting these opportunities. You can do that for 3 to 5 minutes. This is a 3 minute trade, and I can tell you the reason why this trade is not going up, why this candlestick is not going up, is because it's time for this retracement to happen. It's time for this retracement. Now you see the retracement is happening. So when I see that this retracement will happen, I don't need to go for 5 minutes, because if I go for 5 minutes, guess what's going to happen? This candlestick is going to close below. Now I may get it right, but the candlestick may be closing below because it's 5 minutes. So now 3 minutes, you have your trade in the morning. So I hope you've learned from this video. So okay, so one more thing, I would like to let you know that the ebook is out. If you want to get this ebook, the link of this ebook is in the description of this video and the other videos that I have posted. This ebook contains everything you need to know about the market psychology, the action you should take, and the reason behind the movements of this price. You have candlestick patterns, how to read candlestick patterns, the EMAs, how to use them to confirm market condition, and how you can spot the market conditions too. If you want to go for a one-on-one mentorship, you can reach me as well in my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp link is in the description of this video. And one thing I would like to advise new and upcoming trader: if you don't have the knowledge to trade now, don't waste your money. Otherwise, there are traders like me and other professional traders out there who is going to take that money away from you. You need to get the knowledge first. You get this knowledge, you apply it to the market, and your life is going to change. So until next time, my friends, take care and bye bye.